Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. This month for the Color Play box, we have Gothic Beauty. I have successfully managed to avoid all spoilers, so I'm super excited to show you what's in here because I really have no idea. So as always, I've only just perforated it here just to make it easier. So let's get started. Ooh, ah. So we have our fun little brochure, Gothic Beauty. I don't want to look too closely at this, but if you're new, they do give you suggested nail looks, and they also give you details about the strips on this side of the brochure. They also have a fun hashtag that you can use when you submit your nail fee from your subscription box, which is really fun. Okay, so we are going to start with the strips. So, first one up, and it looks like actually these are 4 full strips. We don't have any shorter accent packs this month, but we do have 4 full strips. Okay, first one. I think this is an overlay. Color Street has been really good about making sure we get overlays, probably because they watch my channel and they know how much I love them. Ooh, okay, you guys. This one is called Cursed Beauty. And look at this design. So this is black on clear. This looks so fun. It kind of has that regal medieval vibe to it. Very, very fun. Next up we have, it's an umber. This one is called Shadow Sisters. Oh, it's an umber on only one side. Oh, that's different. So it's a really beautiful purple, and the glitter in here is, we've got chunky fuchsia glitter, and we also have microholographic glitter in here. That is beautiful. Next. Ooh, this is new. I love the new innovation, you guys. This is called Beautiful Nightmare, and it is a gold glitter. Oh, look, you can even see how pretty that glitter is in this video. That is such a pretty gold. It's like a shiny gold with glitter. I love this. So, Beautiful Nightmare. So I imagine you would put it on your nail like a French, only it's like pointed down. I think that's really cool. And lastly, oh, it's like the inverse of that. This one is called Dark Side, and it looks like it's a black French type set, but what they've been doing with French lately, I'm sure they did it with this one also. Yes. They have made our French tips lately double-ended. So you can have it be like a solid color on one nail and then French on another. That is really cool. So these look like they kind of piece together. Very, very fun. So those are the 4 sets. And of course, we've got our prep pad and nail file. So you can do this on the go. And our little surprise, this is very tiny. I don't know what it is yet, and I'm so excited to find out. So on the side here, it says Berry Vamp. Oh my gosh! Guys, it's a blush balm! Okay, well, I'm going to open this for you because it's an unboxing, so I might as well unbox it all. And see, this is why I perforate the boxes, the main boxes, before I start recording, because then I don't have issue later. Okay. So if this is any indication, this is going to be like a raspberry red. Oh, it is so tiny. Oh, and it's round. Oh, look at how tiny and cute this is. All right, let's open her up. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So if you're familiar with our cheek products, Glow Getter is our current blush balm, and it comes in a full size compact. And it is definitely more pink, but this is red. So now we have a red blush. That is so cute. So that is this month's box. Our next box comes out in November, obviously. The last day to sign up for that is Halloween. And for the life of me, I can't remember the theme of the next box, but they're always fabulous. I will have the link in the description to subscribe, as well as my link for the rest of my socials and how you can connect with me. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Please like and subscribe this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye!